Hey guys, welcome back to voltagelearning.com. In today's circuit problem, let's solve this 3-resistor network and figure out how much total current is flowing through the entire circuit. We're given a 9-volt DC power supply connected to a 5 kilo ohm resistor. After that, the circuit splits into two branches, one with a 3K resistor and the other with a 4K resistor. These are in parallel and the entire combination is in series with the 5K resistor. To find the total current, we need to first find the equivalent resistance of the entire circuit, meaning that we should first combine those parallel resistors. Therefore, in step number 1, let's do exactly that. Combine the parallel resistors. Let's use our reciprocal formula. R sub P equals 1 over 3K plus 1 over 4K, all inverted. This is the reciprocal formula that we're going to use. This is equal to about 12,000 over 7, which is roughly 1,414 ohms of parallel resistance. Next, in step number 2, we'll combine this with the 5K resistance to find the total resistance. Therefore, our total is going to be the R series plus the R parallel, meaning 5K plus the 1,714 ohms that we found in step number 1, equaling 6,714 ohms of total resistance. Finally, all we do is use Ohm's law to find the total current. Therefore, I total equals V over R total, and that R total is what we found in step number 2, meaning 9 volts over 6,714 ohms gives us our final answer of 1.34 milliamps. So in this circuit, we first combined the parallel resistors, the 3K and the 4K resistors. Then we found the total resistance by adding the parallel and the series resistance together. And then finally, we used Ohm's law to find the current using the voltage source and the total resistance. So if you like problems like these and similar circuit walkthroughs, visit us at voltagelearning.com and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube content. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.